No.
Okay.
Why you want to use them?
Oh no, how you want to use them?
How do you say you can hold two?
Mamba and Cobra.
Yeah.
I go feel who.
That one you also.
Let me acquire
Mamba.
the Mamba. This is the green one. The 15-minute snake. The middle one. The green, that green snake is a green Mamba. Then we have strong and fast poison. If they bite, no medicine, no protection. After 15 minutes, the person has to die. Bite. It will pass that time before affection come.
And so you have the medicines.
Yes, I have it. I'm talking about how they have power. We have low poison snakes, which is this one. Strong poison.
They kept.
How you go feed?
You go feed remove them. So
No.
okay.
I think you go be closer on 0.5.